How to fortify your Discord channels. So if you want to fortify your Discord channels, or if you want to add passwords to your channels, then let me tell you one thing, that you don't have an option to add a password to your channel, but you can make your channel private. So let me show you that. First, you need to open up your Discord application, and once you open your Discord, now you can simply go for the servers, which is on the left, bottom left, and you can simply go for your any one of your server, and you can go for the upper right of that server, which has that three dots icon, and then you can go for settings, your server settings, and under your server settings, now you can scroll down, and here you will have channels option. So tap on channels, and under your channels, here you will have your channels, right? You can simply go for create, which is on the bottom, and then tap on channel, and here you will have your channel, right? So while creating your channel on your Discord, you need to turn on the private channel, or you need to toggle on the option of private channel. And once you've turned that on, now you can create your channel so that you can fortify your Discord channels. So that's the only way to secure your channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.